In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower Geico car insurance. The first thing you want to do is go to Geico and review your current policy carefully. Once you log in, take a close look at your coverage limits, your deductibles, any optional coverages you're paying for, the drivers listed on the policy, and the vehicle information. This is an important starting point because even small errors or outdated details can affect your premium. Make sure everything is accurate and fully up to date before you make any changes. Next, ask about discounts. Geico offers a variety of discounts that can potentially reduce your rate, so it's worth confirming that you're receiving every one you qualify for. Some common examples include multi-policy discounts, multi-vehicle discounts, good driver discounts, good student discounts, military discounts, federal employee discounts, defensive driving course discounts, and discounts for vehicle safety equipment. A quick review of available discounts can sometimes lead to easy savings without changing your coverage. Another option is increasing your deductible. If you choose a higher deductible for collision and comprehensive coverage, your monthly premium may go down. Just keep in mind that this means you'll pay more out of pocket if you ever need to file a claim, so only choose an amount that you could comfortably afford. You should also consider bundling your insurance policies. If you already have homeowners, renters, condo, or motorcycle insurance, combining those policies with your Geico auto insurance may unlock additional savings. Bundling is one of the more common ways drivers lower their total insurance cost. It's also important to maintain a clean driving record. Avoid speeding tickets, at-fault accidents, and other traffic violations whenever possible. Over time, a clean driving history can help you qualify for better rates and keep your premium more manageable. If you're driving less than you used to, let Geico know. A lower annual mileage, especially if you work from home or simply drive less often, may help reduce your premium in some situations. You may also want to remove unnecessary coverage. For example, if you own an older car with a low market value, it may be worth reviewing whether collision or comprehensive coverage still makes financial sense. Compare the cost of the coverage with the value of the vehicle before deciding. Another factor to keep in mind is your credit, where permitted by law. In many states, insurers may use credit-based insurance scores when setting premiums. Paying bills on time, reducing debt, and maintaining strong credit may help lower future costs, although some states limit or prohibit this practice. Before renewal, compare quotes from other insurers. Even if you're happy with Geico, checking competitors helps you see whether you're still getting a competitive